In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the OnOpen function on Google Sheets. The OnOpen function is a simple trigger in Google Apps Script. It runs automatically every time someone opens a spreadsheet, as long as they have permission to edit that file. This makes it perfect for setting up helpful actions that should be ready as soon as the sheet loads, like adding a custom menu to the top toolbar. To get started, open the Google Sheet where you want this to run. In the top menu, click Extensions and then choose App Script. This opens the App Script editor in a new tab, where you can write automation code for your spreadsheet. Inside the editor, you may see some default code already there. Select the existing code and delete it, so you start with a clean file. Now paste in your OnOpen function. A very common example is creating a custom menu, so when the spreadsheet opens, a new menu appears in the Google Sheets toolbar. In that code, the script gets the spreadsheet user interface, creates a menu with a name like My Scripts, adds an item such as Say Hello, and connects that menu item to another function, often called Hello World. That second function can display a simple alert message, just to confirm everything is working. After you paste the code, click the Save icon. You will also be prompted to name your project, so give it a clear name that matches what it does. Saving is important because the trigger will only run the latest saved version of your script. Now you are ready to test it. Go back to your Google Sheet and refresh the page. When the sheet opens again, the OnOpen trigger runs automatically, and you should see your custom menu appear. If you click the new menu item, it will run the linked function and show the alert. A few key details to keep in mind. The E in OnOpen is an optional event object. It can contain information about the open event, but you can also leave it unused in simple examples. Simple triggers can do basic tasks without asking for permission, but they are limited and cannot access private services like email. The script also needs to finish quickly, typically within about 30 seconds. Finally, simple triggers do not run from the Google Sheets mobile app, so test on a desktop browser. And that covers everything you need to know.